Keep going.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna catch him now.
Catch him. You can get him. I don't know. He's going pretty fast. He's got it on 10.
Oh, whoa, we better speed it up a little bit.
Look how fast they're
Are you dizzy?
Oh, man.
Nice.
Ava, what'd you think about that? Was that fun?
Did you get first?
Hey.
Did we win?
You win. I'm scared.
Put your arms up. Say, I won. Yay! Say, I'm going to Disneyland.